or a disease, whatever that card will carry, it shows everywhere according to your need. This is the process of the solution. So I request to all to go to the competition video. Treatment cell, teachers and doctors are there. They will give you real advice and give the counseling. Thank you all for this, and I very much thank you, collaboration and district administration.